So here's how to enable cookies on Google Chrome. First of all, if you are onto your Google Chrome right now, and then from here you need to click on the three dots on the right upper side. So tap on the three dots and then go to the settings. And then from here you will see different types of options in the left side, but you need to go to the privacy and security on the left. Alright, then from here you will see the third-party cookies. You need to click on that, and then from here, as you can see, like you are getting options like allow third-party cookies, block cookies in incognito mode, and then block third-party cookies. So if your cookies is disabled, then you probably seen this option is selected, this one. All right, but you need to select this one, which is on the second side. You need to select this one, or you can select the first one as well. All right, then again, if you just go to the advanced option here, send and do not track request with your browsing traffic. So it might be turned on, so you need to make sure that it is turned off. All right, so like that. And suppose you are not getting this kind of option in the privacy, then what you can simply do, go to the about Chrome option right on the left, and then this will automatically updates your Google Chrome like this. And then you need to just close your Google Chrome and reopen the Google Chrome once again to apply the updates of the Google Chrome, and then again go to the privacy and security and third party. You will see this option right over there. So that's how you can simply enable cookies on Google Chrome. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and comment down below if this works, and I will catch you guys in the pretty next one.